Hey guys, welcome to this week's Super Saturday video. This week's Super Saturday video is going to be things I've recently purchased and some of them that I haven't, that I am really loving. So, I'm also going to tell you about some stuff that's going on with YouTube, and maybe I'll start with that. Now, let's start with my favorite things. And then at the end, I'll tell you what's going on with YouTube, just because it's depressing and we want to be upbeat. So, my first thing is this. It's a leg pillow. My son actually got this for my husband for his birthday, but I stole it. And it's basically, it goes between your knees when you sleep, and then it keeps your hips in line. That was my problem. I'm like, I like that. I need that. So I started using it and I really like it. It's memory foam and it's super comfortable. I don't keep it in all night because after I toss and turn a few times, it's too much trouble to, keep it there. So I throw it on the floor. But I do like it. I do like going to sleep with it. And then I will eventually throw it out just because I get hot or something, hot flashes and stuff like that. But I really think it's great, especially if you're the kind of person that does have hip issues or just likes... my husband sleeps with a pillow, a big old pillow. But he likes it because he actually kind of hugs it. He puts his head on it and he puts it between his knees. So he's never even tried this because I just took it right away. He's still got his big pillow. Anyway, it was a great gift. He just gave it to the wrong person. So I love this. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of suntan lotion stuff on it. Tanning stuff on it. So that means it's mine. The next thing I'm loving, and I got this. Some of them are from Amazon and some of them are not. They're just things I love. And some of them are new and some of them are not. That is new. This is new. I got this. I got it at Walmart, but I got it when I went to California for my energy drink that I drink every morning. It's a pre-workout energy drink, and I love it because it's got this little ball that mixes it. You just fill it with water, dump the powder in, put that thing in there, put the lid on, and shake it. I usually take the lid off again and put some ice in there, but I love it. It only came in blue and pink, though. I wish it had orange and yellow and green and lots of colors, but they only had blue and pink, so pink wins. And then my energy drink that I love, that I've been drinking forever, they actually recently changed the formula, and it's not as good as it used to be, but I still drink it. I still like it. It's still good, but it's not nearly as good as it used to be. It is called Ion Performance Pre-Workout Energy from Performix. And I like the blue ice, but they came out with a new one. And you can actually get this at Walmart now. I used to have to get it at GNC, or you can also get it on Amazon. But now they came out with the pineapple flavor, and it's really good too. But it costs like $2 more than this. And you cannot get this one at Walmart. Only the blue one can you get at Walmart. And I don't even know, Walmart, they'll have it for a minute and then it's gone. But it's cheaper at Walmart right now than it is on Amazon. It's only like $1, maybe $2 cheaper. Because it's like, this is $20 at Walmart. Or it's $19.98. And then I think this one is like $22 on Amazon. And this on Amazon was like $20.59 or something. So it's just a little bit more than at Walmart. But it's so much more convenient if it's at Walmart. So anyways, I got the pineapple one. I really like the blue one better, I think. But I got the pineapple one just to have something to switch it up. And my daughter doesn't like the blue one. She only likes the pineapple. So I thought, well, if she ever comes over, she can use the pineapple. So anyways, that's my number 2 thing. And then my Loopy case. I don't know how I ever lived without it, because I love it. The only thing I don't love about it is that you have to take it off, which is why it's off, when you put it in use your phone on the tripod in the car or in here, because the loop gets in the way of the mount. But I don't care. It's worth taking it off because it's so nice to have it when you're just filming. It's great. My next thing, and this thing, I have no idea if you can still get it because I think I got it in 2015. But I'm sure they have one, this year's version of it. And this is my very favorite coffee cup. It is a Disney Halloween one. And see, inside it says Halloween. It says Halloween right there. I love this cup. It's perfect for my Atafa tea because I can make my tea in here. And then there's still room for me to put my thing in there that emulsifies the coconut oil in there. And the cream. I love it. This is my favorite cup. It's got Mickey and it's got all of them and they're all dressed up for Halloween. It's lasted forever. There's no chips in it or anything. I love Disney cups. They're my favorites. But the last thing I need is more cups. I have so many cups. I should get rid of some of them because some of them don't really mean anything. They were just cute at the time. I think I have 5 Disney cups that I got at Disney. Actually, one of them I got at the Disney store way back when they still had the Disney store. And it is a Little Mermaid one, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. And then I've got Tinkerbell and Grumpy. But those two are kind of smaller. Those are great coffee cups, but they're not as good for using the emulsifier in them. Okay, what's next? My recent favorite stuff is I got these. These are supposed to be egg peelers, which I used it on an egg one day and it was okay. But I use it when I'm getting the avocado out, and these are so good at getting avocado, at doing avocado. You can get the whole thing out at once. And there's nothing in there. It's so close to the skin. I will link these below because I don't have the thing that they came in, but I got them on Amazon. So I will link them below because they are the bomb and they were really reasonable, like $10 or something, or less maybe, I don't know. And then my most recent thing is this. This is for loose leaf tea. And you put your tea in here and then you close it up. You put it in your cup, just like this. And then you put your hot water in and you stir it around a little bit. You wait your 3 to 5 minutes. And then when you go to take it out, you just push this little thing and can you see in there? It's got this little thing that goes up and down and squishes the tea to get all the tea out and leave the... I do put my finger on it here because one day it tried to open a little bit because I pushed too hard. But this is my favorite because I also got 2 of those wire ones. And this is so much better. So much better. I love this. I really love this because I had it up here today when I made my tea because I was going to make this video and I had to use one of those. And it's like, because those came in a 3-pack for like the price that this was. But this is worth the price, which was like $10 or less. So anyways, it's really good. I don't know what it's called, but I will link it below. It's something to do with tea. My next thing, I got these sports bras. I'm just going to show you one. I'll show you the purple one. It's the prettiest one. I love them. They have a zipper in the front. I don't know about you, but I always had a heck of a time getting my sports bra off once I got all sweaty. It's like I was stuck in it trying to pull it up. It would roll up and then I would be stuck with my arms like this and it was awful. So I wanted to get one with a zipper. And first I ordered the one that Angie from Hot and Flashy recommended. I can't think of the word. Recommended, and because it had all these crisscross pretty straps in back that crisscross, but when I got it, it was too big. That was too loose, and the straps weren't adjustable. So I sent it back, and I was gonna get just a smaller size, and it was $28, I think. And then I saw these, and you get 4 of them, and I think they were only like $23 or $24. So I ordered these, and I love them. I love them so much, but you get 4 of them. I got the purple. There's like 2 different sets of colors you can get. I think 2 or 3 different sets, but I got this one. This one has purple, black, flesh colored, and then the other one is gray. I wish I hadn't got the flesh colored one because you can't really wear them under. I wear it under a t-shirt, and whenever I do, there's a lump right here where it's the top of the zipper. Because my son's always like, what is that lump? And I said, that is a zipper. And so it doesn't look good underneath. I mean, if you're wearing a tank top to work out, it's fine because you can just see that it's a zipper. But if you're wearing a t-shirt, it's just a lump. So I just wish that I hadn't bothered getting a flesh colored one because it's not going to be going under anything. It will just be, except maybe a tank top. And I don't need a flesh colored one under a tank top. I need a pretty colored one. But I'll still use it. So anyways, I have one more item, and I got these in California when I was there, and they're dirty because I think I've worn them every single day since then. But these are, look at that cat hairs on them. Anyways, they're my Nike whatever shoes, but I love them. This is so soft and squishy and so comfortable. And I don't even know where we got them. We got them at some store because it was buy one, get the second one half. So Katie got like 3 pairs of shoes and I got one so she could use my half. And I love them. I wanted to get the ones that were red and black, but they had, instead of saying Nike across it, they had a swish, but it was gold. I would have rather it been black so that it would have been red and black all over. But they didn't have my size. But I love these now. Since I've had them, the pink and white ones, I'm glad I got pink and white because I think I like them better than I would have liked the red and black ones. Definitely with that gold swish on them. Anyways, that's all my favorite things right now. So now I'm going to tell you what's going on with YouTube. I got an email yesterday and it said that that I needed to re-sign the partners agreement, the YouTube partners agreement partners program. It's YTPP. I needed to re-sign it because they redid it, and people that signed it when their classic was still there need to re-sign it, and that my channel no longer qualified for the partner program. So I would have to reapply for it when it qualified. Well, as far as I can tell, my channel qualifies just fine. And so, but basically in 30 days, they said I will be not in the partner program and therefore I won't be monetized anymore, which granted, I don't make hardly any money, not even enough to pay for what my makeup. But I feel like if they do this, if this is true, I don't think, I'm hoping that they just sent out a mass one and I got included in it, and I shouldn't have because I can't find any. I have no violations. I have more than enough subscribers, more than enough hours, and I don't understand why I got the email, frankly. But I'm just telling you guys, in case I disappear in 30 days, that's what happened. Because I can't continue doing this if I'm not monetized. Because when you're monetized, you still have to make at least $100 in a month in order to get paid. I barely make that right now. Making 2 videos a week, I can barely make $100. And it goes by views, so it's my own fault, I guess. But I still have enough views to be in the partner program, so I don't really get it. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to know that if I disappear, that is what happened. And I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.